Does readlines return a list or an iterator in Python 3? I've read and dived into Python 3 that the readlines method now returns an iterator, so it is just as efficient as readlines was in Python 2. See Appendix A, porting code to Python 3 with 2 to 3, A.26 readlines IO method. I'm not sure that's true because they don't mention it here, this URL. How can I check that?
Like this.
The readlines method doesn't return an iterator in Python 3, it returns a list. To check, just call it from an interactive session, it will return a list, rather than an iterator. Dive into Python appears to be wrong in this case. Readlines has been deprecated since Python 2.3 when file objects became their own iterators. The way to get the same efficiency as readlines is instead of using, you should use simply. This gets you the iterator that you want, and helps to explain why readlines didn't need to change its behavior in Python 3. It can still return a full list, with a line in F idiom giving the iterative approach, and the long deprecated readlines has been removed completely. Others have said as much already, but just to drive the point home, ordinary file objects are their own iterators. So having readlines return an iterator would be silly, because it would just return the file you called it on. You can use a for loop to iterate over a file, like Scott said, and you can also pass them straight to itertools functions.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.